As someone that loves to cook, I'm trying to get, the hang of cooking a little bit more. I'm looking into using different pans and different pots just to kind of broaden my horizons when it comes to some of the dishes that I'm making. So this was actually sent to me for review. I was really excited to get my hands on it. Look at how beautiful it is. So this is a wok. It's kind of like one of those round bottom pans that you can use. And I love that it comes with a spatula as well. So you can actually use both of these together. But this looks fantastic. So I'm gonna get out of the package and let's take a look. So the material on this is a carbon steel and it is non-stick, which I'm super excited about. I have a lot of old pans right now, so really excited to have something that is more of a non-stick functionality. So here it is, and it is beautiful. Just look at how stunning that is. It is non-stick. It is absolutely beautiful. So this is, again, carbon steel, and this is the 13-inch, so you can see how large that is. But it looks amazing. Look at how beautiful the bottom is on this. And then so with the handle, it does come right here. So you can see here that I can easily extend it as needed and pop it on there just to make sure it's gonna stay in place. But here, let's go ahead and pop it in. That looks nice and solid. I love the detail of this color. Look at how beautiful that is against the black. I think it looks really, really good. So I'm just twisting this to make sure that the handle stays in place nicely. I do like that it has the ring, so I don't have anything to hang it on, but if you do in your kitchen, maybe you have one of those cool areas up top where you can hang all your bakeware and your pots and pans. But this is really cool. I love the handle. It actually feels really, really nice on your hands. It feels very nice to the touch. And then if you see the lid, look at how beautiful that large lid is. You do have the little vent right there also, and the color on this just matches the color of the handle, but look at how beautiful that is. And then you get the spatula as well. So right here, again, same colors. You have the red right here, and then you also have the circle. So if you did want to hang it, you can do so, but you can see how beautiful this is as well. And then it does come with an instruction manual that has the daily care tips, how to take care of it, also just to make sure that it's going to remain intact really nicely. And you have the information here about what's included also. Okay, so I have the pan on, and I'm going to simply just add some oil to go ahead and cook I have some fajita vegetables right here. I'm just going to cook those in the pan. I have my veggies cooking, and I love the spatula. I like how large it is because it is very easy to push around the food. And then I love how easy it is to grab the handle. So if I did need to just kind of move it around or flip it, and then I have so much cooking area on this pan. It is nice and large as well. So this is going to be fantastic. And you can see it's definitely not sticking. None of the pieces of food are sticking. So this is definitely a non-stick pan. So after I'm cleaning the pan, I am adding a layer of oil. Again, what that's going to help with is just make sure that it does remain non-stick, and also to help with the longevity of the pan.